Hi there. This video is next week's extremely aggressive flaming heat spike of 33 Celsius weather forecast, UK 25. Like this video, press the thumbs up the right side screen, right minute please. The date today is the 10th of August, Sunday evening guys, 25. This is on forecast for next week. We could get 33 Celsius or 35 Celsius next Monday and Tuesday across the southeast and southern regions. This weather forecast is set to change. It could be Wednesday. It's very elusive the heat spikes are next week. We will be very serious this forecast I'm talking about right now. Here we go guys. Talk about the upper global heat temperature off the west coast of South America. Regions, east and central west Pacific today. North Pacific Ocean upper global heat temperature today. North Atlantic upper global heat temperature especially interesting today. West coast Africa upper global heat temperature today. And the Gulf of Mexico upper global heat temperature today guys. Wow! Fascinating. Whoa. So we're talking about some very hot water west coast of Peru here, around here. This is not a good sign for very cold winter across northwestern parts of Europe, across UK. We don't want to see hot water down there. We don't want to see hot water up here. I'm afraid to say this winter's going to be very warm across UK and very stormy and very mild. It could be moderately stormy and mild. It could be anticyclonically dry. But we shouldn't get so much in the way of freezing cold weather and snow across northwestern Europe, across UK this year. It probably will be down in Turkey. Drives you mad, doesn't it? But that's my forecast this coming winter, 2025, 26. We'll see what happens, guys. I had to talk about increasing risk of more hurricanes storms across the Atlantic Ocean. Talk about later on. Here we go, guys. So this is the American 12 GFS prediction for the future with the weather across the UK. You can see the long-range forecast. You've got this tropical storm coming across the UK, which brings very unsettled weather bank holiday weekend, Monday into Tuesday. So look out for that. Present time, like some very hot air coming up from Europe, from Spain and France. Highs of 33, maybe 35 Celsius for southwest areas up to that point, and it gets cooled down a little bit, but it's still quite hot at times. You've got high pressure in the UK. It's very hot, very hot, guys. Very hot. It stays like that for quite. That's the tropical storm. It hasn't got named yet. This is long-range forecast. Health warning. It's not even coming out towards UK. It might hit mainly America. It might hit eastern Carolina or Florida. It's all to play for, guys, for the future. Hurricanes do affect our weather across UK. I'm not joking. And this is the upper air temperature was waiting time locally. We're looking today. Ow! So the red line's a 30-year average, 30-year average. Oh well, upper air 30 average temperature. One of the temperatures going, so it's going well above the average temperature. The red line, that's the white line. Green line, duration line, that's going with it. So it'll be quite warm, quite hot for a while. There are some rainfall spikes down here. These might be thunderstorms or thundery breakdowns. These are not guaranteed though. I'm afraid they're not guaranteed. They might be light showers, not heavy ones. We'll have to see. This is because working town locally. These spikes down here, rainfall spikes. This is the upper air temperature with the American 12 GFS in the future. So very hot air coming across Europe, okay? Yeah, across the UK, across Europe. Very hot temperature. It might be 40 Celsius across Spain or Portugal. And Spain, well, in France next week or so. I can't rule it out. And then the cooler air comes down. You've got that extra storm coming towards the UK. So the cooler air starts to break down across the UK, as you see there. Winds go from northwesterly or northeasterly. This is the weather forecast working town. So now it was supposed to be 33 Celsius on Monday. Now it's gone to, you name it, Tuesday, 32 Celsius. Of course, working town locally, but it's forecast to change, like I said. It's very loose, it's hot weather. We've been playing games with this for quite a while, finally hitting it. 27 Celsius Wednesday, you can see what's going on with the weather there. It's going to be quite hot for quite some time. And bank holiday weekends, long range forecast, and how warm is forecast to change. Can't guarantee it yet. Arctic oscillation, you see that red line when it's going up there, at least it's positive. It's the same with the North Atlantic oscillation, but they're both in positive. That means you've got high pressure over the UK and low pressure over Greenland, which is interesting. And this is the situation of hurricanes across the Atlantic at the moment, literally. You can see here, guys. This is the one I talk about that can affect the weather across the UK. It hasn't been named tropical storm yet. It's not a hurricane. It's nearly a tropical storm. It's off the west coast of America, the west coast of Africa, going towards the Americans. So you can keep an eye on that. It might hit Carolina, or it might just go over Bermuda. It's all to play for. That's another one. That's a tropical wave. That's not to worry about too much across Europe. Across Europe. It would play for the weather across the Atlantic with hurricane season. This is the situation. You see it there. It's very aggressive. Just around the Cape of that area. That's the Cape area of Africa, off the west coast of Africa. It's all to play for the hurricane season, isn't it? Hope that's really it. Please subscribe to San Joe's with a thumbs up right side screen. I'm one of the best weathermen in the mighty universe. I know what I'm talking about when it comes to what comes to the weather. I've forecasted the Met Office at times. I've forecasted a lot of other weathermen on YouTube. I'm one of the best weathermen in the mighty universe. Please subscribe to my show on San Joe's. I do the best forecasts. I can do live ones at 2 o'clock in the morning. No one can do it like me. No one can walk to London City like me for 17 hours. No one's ever done what I do. I'm literally the unthinkable, the impressive weatherman of the mighty universe. Please subscribe on San Joe's. Put thumbs up right side. Please subscribe on San Joe's on YouTube.